Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Panalucan. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to put these yellow pieces into this interesting gray triangular frame. This is kind of a triangular burr puzzle. So instead of our traditional square units, we have triangular units, so everything's got 45s on it. So our first two pieces are going to be these two, and they're going to slot together like so, but inside the frame. So we will take our pieces and we will put this one in first. We will take this one like so, feed it through the other side. And then we'll feed that piece through. And we have it like I showed you, with the kind of A shape. Now we will lift this piece, we'll move this piece back, lift it up, and we will slide this back as well. Now we'll take our third piece, this one right here, this F, and we will slide it in like so. We will keep it to the top, and then we'll slide this back piece forward, slide this over to the side, and that makes room, once we put this down, to slide this piece in. Slide this back in and down. And that's it fully assembled. And that's the shape we're looking to achieve. Now disassembling it, we will lift up and over. We will pull this through. We will move over here. We will lift up on this back piece, like so. Wow, it's kind of crooked. Slide this piece through, and that allows us to get our F-shaped piece out. Then we will slide this back piece all the way out, and we're fully disassembled. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.